India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. ITI Solar Technician Trade gives you both. Don't just look for a job, train for a career. Solar Technician Trade puts you in demand from day one. Your aptitude matches Solar Technician. Discover your career potential with smart skill mapping. Solar panel installation, inverter wiring, battery systems, grid connection, preventive maintenance. Every skill you master makes you more valuable to every employer in the sector. Solar EPC companies, SECI, Discom, rooftop solar, agriculture solar pumps, all hiring trained solar technician professionals constantly. Solar installer to solar system designer, solar system designer to EPC project supervisor. A clear career path with growing income at every step. Your solar technician skills are the foundation of your own profitable business. Low investment, high returns. Trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CTS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow.